Canvas allows you as an observer and your student to customize your account settings. In the dashboard, right above it will be an icon. In this case, there's a picture of the student that you can customize that as well. You want to go into notifications. In notifications, there are several options for you to be notified, as well as being notified the frequency of notifications. So you'll see if you want to be notified something right away, maybe a new assignment is posted or a new grade is posted. You can choose to be notified right away of those items. Maybe daily you want a summary of maybe any new discussion posts or any new grades that maybe you only want to be notified once a day on grades. Then you have weekly summaries. So maybe for the week you want to be notified of any new discussions that your course will be offering. You can also choose not to be notified so that you're not receiving a lot of emails about things unless they are important to you. So you'll want to go through each of those items and choose. And of course you can go back and make those changes later because you don't want to be missing out on any new assignments that are posted, or if an assignment has a date change, you want to be sure to be notified of those items. But also you don't want to set yourself up for being inundated with emails.